This is vlog number 1. Let's head over to the supermarket. What do you say, neighbor? So forget about what the package says. These are called crunchies, and we need them because ever since my son started eating solid foods, he's been all over these every morning for 5 years. So one bag of crunchies costs €2.68. Multiply that by 4 and you see that we spend around €10 per month. Multiply that by 12 and we spend about €128 a year. Multiply that by 5 and we have spent a total of €643 on crunchies since my child was born. You know what I can get for $643? It's mid-October. That means 2 things. 1, my birthday's coming up soon. Number 2, Halloween. And this year, Halloween falls on the weekend. Me and my family are gonna be trick-or-treating. And just like last year, we're going to build a haunted house. You know, last year's haunted house was truly spooktacular. Big hit with the kids and adults alike. But that doesn't mean we can't go bigger and booter. We're gonna need lots more cardboard. So you need cardboard? Well, you don't have to get by on your own supply. Here in Dusseldorf, we got cardboard aplenty because, you know, we're environmentally friendly like that. All you gotta do is stick your head in there and see what you got. See a good piece of cardboard? Pick it up. All day long, you'll have good luck. The haunted house won't be built until the day before Halloween, but we can begin decorating every single week. A little bit more goes up. You want to see what we got so far? So you might be asking yourself, is Joe gonna carve up these pumpkins, turn them into jack-o'-lanterns? Of course. In fact, we've already carved up a couple pumpkins. But those pumpkins, they got oldie and grew moldy. So we took them outside for an old-fashioned smashing. Moldy pumpkin. And as for these babies, they're on standby. A couple days before Halloween, they get carved up and they'll be served up fresh for the haunted house. And don't you forget to get your exercise and a proper night's sleep. I get my exercise every day, otherwise known as running my son to kindergarten. See you later, alligator. Have a great day. I love you.
Look how many bees.
I know. That's exactly what I'm looking at.
What?
That's exactly what I'm looking at.
Uh-huh.
The bees.
Look at that. That's the bees' favorite dinner.
Yeah, they love that.
They love it.